Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing 2 healthy veg sandwich recipes ideal as a healthy meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipes. I have already washed and rinsed 1 cup of coriander leaves and I'm adding it into my small chutney grinder. Into that I'm adding in 1 green chili which I'm breaking into 2, 3 to 4 shallots. I prefer to use shallots in my recipes because they are rich in iron and folate. A small piece of ginger which I am slicing and adding, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, a sprinkle of chaat masala, juice of half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, add in 2 tablespoons water and pink Himalayan salt as needed. And I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. And the green chutney is ready. Transfer the green chutney to another bowl. The green chutney is nicely ground and I'm going to keep it aside. I've already boiled 2 potatoes and I'm peeling the skin. I'm going to grate this boiled potatoes. Next I'm adding in the grated potatoes into the green chutney which we have already made and kept aside. Give it a stir. At this stage you can check salt, and if you feel you need more salt you can add, and if you feel you need more sourness you can add in a little bit of extra lemon juice as well. And one more thing, you can also make this mix ahead and store it in the fridge in an airtight glass container, and you can use it in the mornings or whenever you feel like having a filling sandwich. So now let's assemble the sandwich. I'm placing some potato filling over the bread and I'm just spreading it out. Spreading it on the next slice as well. It's about 1 tablespoon or as per your taste. You can see that the potato filling spreads very smoothly over the bread slice. Okay, now we have 3 slices of bread. So I'm just going to sprinkle in some chopped onions and I'm covering it with another slice. Little bit of green chutney on top, a sprinkle of chopped onions, and I'm covering it with the other slice. Just pressed it down. Now to toast the bread, I have heated my cast iron tawa and I'm adding in 1 teaspoon desi ghee. Try to use good quality desi ghee. We'll be doing the whole process on low flame. Sprinkle about half teaspoon sesame seeds onto the desi ghee and place the bread over the sesame seeds and lightly press it down. While that side is getting toasted, drizzling in 1 teaspoon desi ghee and spreading it over the bread. Sprinkle in about half to 1 teaspoon sesame seeds over it. Carefully flip it over. Once done, remove it to a plate. Let me just slice the sandwich and show you. Into my cast iron kadai, I am adding in 2 teaspoons wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, I am adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, I am adding in 1 onion finely chopped. Give it a stir. Allow the onions to saute until they become transparent. Once the onion is transparent, add in 1 green chili finely chopped. I am grating in a small piece of ginger and give it a good stir. Into this I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and give it a good stir. Allow the spices to roast for about a minute so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Next I'm adding in 1 cup finely chopped palak leaves. Give it a good stir. Cover and allow the palak leaves to get wilted and cooked. About a minute later, open the lid, give it a good stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, half of a capsicum finely chopped, and give it a good stir. I have already boiled 1 medium-sized potato. The potato has cooled down completely. I am lightly mashing the potatoes into the palak mix. Give it a good mix. Lightly mash the potatoes with the spatula. Boiled and cooled potato is a good source of resistant starch. And lastly, I am adding in 1 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, and give this a good mix. Turn off the flame and my palak sandwich filling is ready. Now the best thing about this filling is that you can make ahead this filling and store it in an airtight glass container, and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Hence it is an ideal way to meal prep for those busy people. To make the sandwich, I am using 2 bread slices and I am placing the palak sandwich filling on top of 1 bread slice. I used 3 tablespoons of the palak filling. This filling is enough to make 2 sandwiches. Cover with the other slice and lightly press down. I am heating my cast iron tawa and I am drizzling in about half teaspoon of desi ghee. I am using A2 desi ghee. And with a spoon I am lightly spreading the ghee over the tawa. Place the sandwich on top. Place something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help in even toasting and also will help to seal the filling. Couple of minutes later, remove the skillet on top. Drizzle in a little bit of A2 desi ghee and lightly spread all over the bread slice. Healthy fats like wood pressed oils and A2 desi ghee helps in better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins. So try not to skip using a good source of healthy fats in your diet. Carefully flip it over. Place the skillet on top and allow that side to get toasted as well. Once done, remove it from the tawa and serve. I'll slice and show you how the sandwich is, and you can also notice how crispy the sandwich is. And my super healthy palak sandwich is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with homemade tomato sauce or green chutney. I've already shared the recipe of tomato sauce and green chutney. So guys, do try these 2 healthy veg sandwich recipes and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.